keep saying that like zombies crawl really inefficiently. Like you see them in movies and when the legs are going like this. But really, they could be going backwards and so they can look down. What's up, bro?
Nice Ferrari, dude.
Thank you, thank you.
You know, how much horsepower I got?
You know what? Let me show you.
All right.
So we got around 700 horses in here.
What a beautiful engine.
They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat.
I think the pool's a little full. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty full. Shit! Fuck, I'm gonna get the yard wet.